Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to tell you that how you can trade cards on Monopoly Go. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step. Let's get started with the video without wasting any time. Please do not skip the video and watch it till the end so you don't miss on any information. So you can see there's this icon of Monopoly Go on my screen. I will click it. After clicking it, it brings me to this home page of mine where you can see there's this option of album on the bottom right corner of my screen right next to friends. Now I will click the album option, but you can see it pops a prompt of that I have to reach level 15 to unlock it, but I'm on level 2 right now. But if you have crossed level 15 or you are on level 15, you can click this option and then there will be many cards available which you can send to your friend. Just make sure that you can send these cards only 5 times per day, and you must have a duplicate card if you want to send one to your friend. I hope this was an easy process and you understood it very well. If you liked my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.